Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage long-term care investments with Nationwide, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what long-term care investments are. These investments help cover the costs associated with extended care services. Research the various types of long-term care insurance available through Nationwide. Evaluate your personal financial situation to determine how much coverage you need. Consider factors such as your age, health, and family medical history. Next, schedule a consultation with a Nationwide financial advisor. During this meeting, discuss your goals and concerns regarding long-term care. Request a personalized investment plan tailored to your needs. Review the different policy options Nationwide offers. Pay close attention to the benefits, costs, and terms of each option. Once you've selected a policy, complete the necessary application forms. Be prepared to provide relevant medical information to assess eligibility. After approval, confirm the policy coverage and start dates. Make your initial premium payment to activate the policy. Set up a reminder to regularly review your investment as your circumstances change. Consider annual checks to ensure your coverage remains adequate. Explore any additional features or riders that may enhance your policy. Educate yourself about Nationwide's claims process in case you need it later. Maintain open communication with your financial advisor for ongoing support. Stay informed about any changes in the healthcare industry that may affect your investment. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your long-term care investments with Nationwide effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.